Martin from Gardens for Life. Happy New Year, first video of the year. Today we're going to be harvesting some ochas that we grew in pots, and I'll just show you guys what they look like at the moment. I'll show you guys a picture of them first, what they looked like in full bloom in the middle of the summer, and now I'll show you guys what they look like at the moment. This is winter now, so it's January, and they will have completely receded. That's what they look like, and you can see there's a few of them already bursting out from the top. Now I can't wait to see how many ochas will come out of this pot now. This is about a 10-litre pot, and all it basically did in the summertime, or even in the early summer or springtime, once the growing season starts, you can just plant one of these little ochas into a pot like that, or you can even plant it into a smaller pot and then pot it on after that. But it'll definitely take advantage of as large a pot as you can give it. Even 15-20 litre pots will be fine. If you don't have a garden where you can plant, like if you're renting and you don't have any kind of a garden that comes with the apartment or anything like that, you could even grow these ochas on your balcony if you wanted to. But even if you if you don't have a garden but you have a driveway, and you can keep a few pots as well. So let's see how many we'll get out of this. Probably not as many as them grown in a garden bed, but because they don't have as much space, so they're fairly limited here. So let's see. Turn it upside down, and hopefully we'll get plenty of them out of it. There's a good few. Look at that. Wow. Wow, take a look at that. Take a look at that, and there is a good few more than that in it now. What I'll do is I'll just clean them up a little bit, just to show you guys what you can get out of it. I'd say there must be nearly a kilo in it. Probably about 30 or 40 good sized ochas. So definitely successful, and definitely will be growing ochas in pots again this year. So now I just cleaned them up a little bit, and what an amazing harvest. There must be about a kilo in it. I'd say about 40 ochas, good sized ochas in it. You can see here that would be about enough for 2 people to eat in a meal anyway, for a dinner if you roast them in the oven. And lovely lemony flavour. And we do sell them in our shop now as well. So if you we have an online shop on our website, gardensforlife.ie. Please feel free to take a look and let us know if you have any questions. And thanks for watching. Thank God our cats don't eat ochas. Not right, Schnapper?